Hey Libra, what's up? Welcome to your reading. This is for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. It is a general reading. This may or may not resonate. If it doesn't, check out your top placements. So, we're going to have a look at what is going on in your connection for the remaining days of December 2021. Okay. If you need a personal reading, you can DM me on Instagram at Tarot with Nemo, or you can email me on tarotwithnemo@gmail.com. Let's see, Libra, what's going on in your love life? One last shuffle. All right, good to go. Overall energy, Four of Cups. All right, let's see what happened in the past. So, but then Four of Cups is telling me, that someone here wants to make you an offer, Libra. They do. This person could have tried to walk away from you, okay, and you could have tried to offer them commitment, or you could have wanted more from this person, but they constantly kept breadcrumbing you. They constantly kept giving you bits and pieces, okay, to keep you around in the connection. And now, after probably you've separated, I feel this person here realizes that what a boring love life they have. Their life is just stuck and stagnant. There is nothing going on. They're just disinterested. Even if they have other options around them, they're not even interested in those options because no one compares to you. Now probably they want to come back towards you and make you an offer, but they fear rejection. Okay, let's see what happened in the past. Yep, someone here kept you as an option. Okay, they kept their options open. They constantly kept you confused. They were giving into some kind of temptation or addiction. Okay, maybe this was an attention seeker, never know. But there was either someone who had too many options and they never chose you, okay, or this person here was just very confused. They kept daydreaming about you, but there was no hardcore action from their side. Okay, there was only procrastination from their side. There was no um, you know decision made. Okay, they were only making unrealistic choices in the past. What is the current situation? Ace of Pentacles. I feel for a lot of you, this person here, if this person hasn't come towards you, they want to come towards you and offer you something stable. Okay. Now keep in mind, this is an opportunity that's coming. There is a potential here where you guys can get together, and you guys need to work really hard if you want to reach the ultimate commitment. This is a small chance, but the chance needs to be nurtured. This chance that is coming in, this potential that is coming, right? It's not going to be something where you both just talk and you bug. It's not going to be like that. It is going to take a lot of effort. Okay, it is a promising offer. It is a promising opportunity that's coming in for you guys, but it's going to be up to you whether you take it or not. Okay, but for some of you, maybe this is a new relationship coming towards you. For the rest of you, this is a new start in your existing relationship. Okay, but whatever the start is, pretty promising. What is on this person's mind? Knight of Wands. Yeah, see, this person here is rushing in. I feel this person here could be at a distance from you. All right, this could be someone here who lives in a distance from you. This could be a long distance relationship, or this is just someone here, who probably. Okay, now I'm getting too. I'm a little. Maybe this is genuinely a new opportunity for you. Maybe there is genuinely a new person coming in towards you, and you have this person also coming towards you, because this person, their attitude is more like they're very young, they don't want to grow up, and that's an escapist out here. Okay, so they want to come, it's like an easy come easy go for them. They want temporary adventure, temporary intimacy. Okay, very in and out energy, not very stable out here. Maybe they even want to travel towards you, but this person here has a lot of sexual desires to you. Okay, the one I'm talking about right now. And in your current situation, there could be an opportunity here from a new person who's ready to offer you something stable, secure. So you probably have two choices. How does this person view you or the connection with you? See, they want to keep it all lighthearted. This is someone here who probably feels that either you have kept your options open, or they're just like wanting to come in. Okay, they're wanting to communicate with you, but they want to explore their other options too. Okay, they're waiting. You could be waiting on communication from them. Maybe they know that, but this is someone here who probably is more of a free spirited person. Okay, when they come towards you. See, that's clarifying that, right? I mean, they feel like it's probably a very initial connection for a lot of you. I don't feel this could be something which has been going on for a very long time. If it is, then you're dealing with someone very immature, very immature. Okay, and what does this person feel deep down for you? Three of Pentacles. Ooh, too much work, huh? So Libra, for a lot of you, this person thinks you are too much work. A lot of hard work and a lot of skill and effort is required to keep you happy. That's what they feel deep down for you. They feel it's too much work, which is why they want to keep it lighthearted. And all the more, they are not even ready for commitment. Maybe you are ready for commitment, Libra, but the person you're dealing with is somebody who's like, okay, I'm not going to do all that because I honestly am not even looking that road. They're not even looking at that road right now, which is why you probably may not be too much work. But because they are not on the same page with you, they just feel like it's just going to take a lot of effort, okay? They need to keep pushing in harder and harder all the time. There's a lot of investment, there's a lot of teamwork and collaboration needed to make this relationship work out. And honestly, Libra, if you feel that someone's not good enough for you, or maybe they just aren't, okay, or they're just not ready, but they feel they have to mold themselves, okay, into something that you want, and I don't think they're ready to do that. That's a free thinker, that's a free spirit person, that's someone who does not like to be tied down to, okay. Okay, how do they want to move forward with you? The Lovers. The connection is very, very strong out here. It is strong. But the thing out here is that they need to make a decision which they haven't made as yet. Okay, they're on the verge of making a decision here. Do they want something more committed, more exclusive, or do they just want to continue eating the cake and having it too? They're on the verge of making a decision here, but they haven't made a choice yet. Maybe this person either is already with someone else and they want you in the background. That's one scenario I'm getting. For the others of you, this person just needs to make a choice. Do I want to commit? Do I want to leave my single life? Do I want to leave my freedom? Do I want to leave attention from other people and just come and completely commit to Libra? Or do I just want to enjoy my singlehood? Okay. What's going on behind the scenes? See, the guards are up, right? How do you expect this person to commit to you, even make a choice? Their guards are so up. Now, you're dealing with someone here, Libra, who probably has been hurt in the past. So when this person is hurt in the past, right, they tend to have their guards up, they're super defensive. Okay, it's like, no, go away, stay away from me. It hurts, love hurts. It's a risk and I don't want to jump in. This person is paranoid, they have trust issues, okay, and they have their boundaries up. It's going to be very difficult to fight this person's boundaries unless and until they are 1001% sure that you're not a complete psycho and you're not going to hurt them, and it's not a risk to be open to you and not be vulnerable to you. They are not going to move in. They won't take that step. And believe me. Now, either you've done something that gives them these trust issues, or this is just somebody who's been so hurt in the past out here. They're fed up, and now it's like even when a good opportunity comes in or a good potential comes in, they don't trust it. What is the advice for Libra? Guys, A, get clarity. Okay, get your head clear. Try and see to it, not try actually, this is what the advice is, so there is no trying out here. Get straight to the point. Either this person commits to you, all right, and you guys can move forward, or then you be upfront, honest, blunt with your opinion, with your decision, and you cut them and keep moving forward. You need to wear a false mask. You need to hide those feelings. This is not the time for you to be emotionally making any decisions. Okay. Have a very unbiased judgment towards this person out here. Okay, is your advice here. If this person comes to communicate with you with that lame ass page of wands, I don't think you need to even reply to them, because that's just no match, guys. That this is not a match. Knight of wands, page of wands, queen of swords, that is even a match. They still want to keep their options open because they're too scared. Maybe they committed in the past to someone and someone screwed them over. Whatever that is, okay. But just make sure that you know what you're doing and don't do some, and see to it that your priorities are set, okay. Don't bend over backwards for this person. They're not going to be able to live up to it. The best possible outcome, the star. Yeah, see, still hoping, wishing, praying that things will be okay between you both here, but no initiation taken, no action taken from this person out here. I feel eventually you are going to cut this person off and you're just going to move towards your journey of healing. You may even get communication from this person, because that's what I'm seeing here. Because with the Knight of Wands here, this person is rushing in. You will get communication, because, and I feel this communication has been long awaited for. Okay, long awaited. But I feel you're just going to probably just heal, okay, and progress forward. But this is a wish come true for sure. And maybe by the time with the overall energy as the Four of Cups, maybe the offer that you get in is not something that you expected, okay? And you're just going to be pretty upset about it, okay? Libra, so just see who you're entertaining and don't have too many expectations when this person comes in, okay? Now, this is a general reading. You don't have to go by my words, but this is for the people I'm reading for, all right? Take care.